Hi, welcome to Premier Physical Therapy. Our clinic consists of me, Brian Clary, the owner and sole physical therapist, my wife, Melissa, who's our front office coordinator, and we have 3 part-time physical therapy technicians. Services of any kind are few and far between in Polk County. Medical services are even less common. We have the unique responsibility in this clinic of not only providing physical therapy services, but to play a role in the coordination of the patient's complete medical care. My desire as well is to give students opportunities to see and participate in observation so that they too may begin to envision themselves in a future medical career. This is our space at Premier Physical Therapy, and when we first decided that we wanted to come out on our own, and we knew we wanted to be in Polk County, I wanted to be in an area that was highly accessible to folks that were traveling other places for physical therapy services. So we are located out on 64 Highway, which gets people coming off the mountain from Ducktown and Copper Hill, and close enough to 411 where people coming from Etowah or even Chatsworth area are on their way to Cleveland. So it's been a great space. We've got our treatment tables over here on the wall. We've got kind of a central portion where I have patients who are up and moving and doing exercises. And then we've got a little more weight equipment on this wall. Using the grant money, I want to purchase items that build upon the momentum that we have as a clinic. I want to bring equipment into the clinic that gives a wider range of patients the ability to come in and work on their strengthening and well-being. I want to add technology to patient appointments, technology such as Century mats that allow a patient to see real time what their weight distribution is, or pads that you put on specific muscles that allow them to see on an iPad what that muscle is doing to contribute to their overall movement. All these things, I think, go into being a rural clinic in that we need to have items in here that somebody from 14 years old to 75 years old are able to use and get better from, whether their goals are returning to sport or whether their goals are just to get into town and feel safe going into the post office. Additionally, what I would like to do is use the grant funds to secure additional employees. We are very close to bringing on another provider at this clinic, and a provider in the life cycle of medical billing will not see the revenue coming back in for months after the initial bill is sent. By having the grant money, what I'm able to do is pay additional help while we're waiting on that revenue cycle to complete. I enjoy every aspect of physical therapy. I love being a part of the emotional and physical recovery of a teenager trying to get back to sport. I love watching an older individual confined to their home tell me they now feel safe working in their yard or going to church. But by far the most fulfilling part of this job is the bond you build with someone throughout that process. The relationships and knowledge is what I cherish most. This is our strength and what makes Premier Physical Therapy not a company operating out of Polk County, but one that desires to be so tightly knit into the fabric of the community that there is an absolute trust in our services. It is a blessing to be a part of Polk County, and we likewise want to be a source of pride for the residents. Our desire is to be here indefinitely and continue to work in a manner that supports other businesses, provides jobs, and is always available for those looking to learn about a career in the medical field.